Is a dead trigger or button on your Joy-Con ruining your Nintendo Switch gaming experience? Let's revive those controllers in just a minute. First, ensure your Joy-Cons are properly attached or paired to your Nintendo Switch. Head into the system settings, then controllers and sensors, and select disconnect controllers after they are disconnected. Resync your Joy-Cons by attaching them to the Switch or holding down the sync button until the LED lights appear stable. Dust and grime can cause havoc. Grab a soft bristled toothbrush and gently clean around the affected buttons and triggers. Be sure to get into those edges to dislodge any hidden debris. For stubborn particles, use compressed air in short bursts to blow out any remaining debris. Hold the can a few inches away to avoid damage. Work your way around all buttons. Outdated software can also cause problems. Back in system settings, under controllers and sensors, select update controllers. Make sure your Switch is connected to the internet for this step. Sometimes recalibration is all you need. Go to Calibrate control sticks under controllers and sensors and follow the on-screen prompts to recalibrate your sticks. Also calibrate your buttons. And that's it. With these quick fixes, your Joy-Cons should be back in action, so you can get back to gaming. If problems persist, consider contacting Nintendo support.